Well, I'm Kristina. I got some jewelry for you. And if I can't make it, then so can you. What a crap.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will make statement earrings for superstars. And as I sang in my intro, you can make them too. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any content. And if you like these earrings, they're from my last video, you can look it up on my channel, or you can wait until the end of this video where I will link it for you. And now, let's make earrings! Today we're going to make statement earrings for superstars. And for this project, you will need memory wire, you will need jump rings, you will need ear hooks. I only had a few left there. You will need spike beads. You will need 8 of these long ones. They're about 5 centimeters. And you will need 16 of those. They're 3 centimeters long, I think. And you will need 20 of these shorter ones. They're about 2 centimeters. But you can have any length you want to. Just make sure that there are 3 different sizes. Right. The first thing you will do is to cut the hoops for your earring. If I can find the beginning. Oh, there it is. Like that. And you take your cutter and you cut it like that. So it's overlapping a bit. And then you will string your beads. That one I have to throw off. It didn't look good. Now, if anyone wants to know, I bought all of these spike beads on eBay. The first thing you do is to string your beads in the pattern you want. You can make your own pattern. You don't have to do it the way I do it, but this is the way I do it. I put 4 long ones. And I put 4 of the 3 centimeters on each side. Like that. Now you need 5 of these short ones on each side. I wonder what superstar would wear these. What do you think? Now I got 5 on that side. And we're not done with this, I'm telling you. After this, the tricky part comes. Oh well, it's not really tricky. You just have to be smart and not stupid like me. You have to get the right kind of glue for this. So, this is what it will look like when it's completely done. But in order to make the spikes stay this way, in this flat shape, you have to glue them together. And this is where I failed because I didn't have the right glue at home. I thought I did, So I will tell you now what I did. First, I tried with this super glue. This is one of the best super glues I've ever tried. But these spikes are acrylic. They're plastic. You can't glue it with super glue unless you have some sort of a primer first. I don't know what it is. I bought it at a car shop once. No, not a car shop, but a shop where they have spare parts for cars. It's a spray. You spray on first and let it dry before you use the super glue. But I don't have that, so it didn't work. And then I tried with my GS Hypo Cement, which I use for a lot of things. But it kind of works. I don't know if I did wrong or what I did, if I put too little glue on, or if it's something with the acrylics. I don't know. But it just split apart sometimes. So I ended up with being able to finish it with this just blank glue. It's just a universal glue. It's see-through though. And now we're going to finish this up. What you do is that you take your round nose plier and you make a loop. You see why you have to glue these together, because they're all over the place. They will get stuck in your hair and everywhere. And I always do the loops this way. Then I take a flat nose plier and close it together really well. Oops. Like that. And I also like the loop to be in an angle. There you go. And I lost some, so I have to put them on back again. And you, of course, you can wear this earring without gluing it together, but will become some kind of flimsy like this. There you go. Then you make the second loop. Like that. And you close it up. You open the jump ring, and now it's this again. You put it on upside down and the other one on like that, and then you put the earring on, the ear hook I mean, and then you close it. See, the jump ring will be in between the loops, and the earring comes straight up. And now all you have to do is now to make the spikes look even, and then you have to put glue in between them. And this is time consuming, and you have to be patient. I usually start with the big ones down here, And I will try and use my hypo cement today. Now, let's glue. I start in the middle. Put a dab of glue on. And I put them together. And I take the next one. Make sure you don't glue them together on the wire. That won't be nice. Then you won't be able to move them later on. You have to adjust them all the time because they're moving around. It's difficult, this. You want the spikes to be even. Now when you're done gluing, you can adjust the spikes a little, and then you leave it for like 48 hours, 24 or 48 hours to dry. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel and please give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye.